Before we start, for those that have not had the pleasure of meeting you, tell us who you are and what you do.
I am VP of Payments and Country Manager of PayHawk for Lithuania, and we are leading expense management platform across Europe.
All right. Now, let me ask you, we see a lot of innovation coming in the payment space. The barriers for entry to the industry have been lowered, and we see so many companies coming up with new value propositions. What's the core value proposition of PayHawk?
We help companies, to make finance processes more efficient, to have more control on their expenses. And also, just very recently, we launched AI Office of the CEO, which helps, to reduce manual work of the finance teams. And this is not just a buzzword AI saying, but this is actually, reducing the amount of work, the manual work which companies are doing.
All right, tell me a little bit more about that. So, who's the target user for these AI finance teams?
We target big companies, large enterprises, or companies which operate in different locations. And for those companies, it's very difficult to have an overlook of their finances. So with our solution, those companies can have everything in one system. They can see their expenses across different units or different, companies which we have. Therefore, our solution is currently being one of the top selections in the market in terms of expense management.
Okay, great. Now, you were on stage earlier today talking to Vinted as well. Tell us a little bit, what's the nature of your collaboration with Vinted, and how's that come about?
With Vinted, we have a bit different business models, but still, they have their own payments institution, and we as a PayHawk also have payments institution. What brings us in common is that we both serve, only our entities. We don't serve customers from outside, and just to support our operations, because we as a PayHawk, we have our SaaS product and also payments embedded into the bigger product. And this is the same like Vinted.
All right, Saulius. Now, why the Baltics? What is this region of particular interest to PayHawk?
So Baltics emerged as fintech hub of Europe after the Brexit. And we are happy, to support this further development of the market. And we see the huge potential within the environment which we have, like big talent pool. Also, technologies are being built here, so it's a good place to start like fintech business.
Right. Okay. Now, this is a question I ask every time I get to speak to someone in payments, because we see now frictionless, seamless, instant, invisible payments everywhere. What is there left to innovate when it comes to payments?
I believe, in terms of payments, the market will get consolidated at some point, and because there's so many fintechs right now, and most of the fintechs, they claim to be fintechs, but actually what they are providing just payment services. But in the future, I believe that the markets will consolidate, the fintech industry will consolidate, and more will be on the banking as a service and also on embedded finance.
All right. Oh, well, an interesting future to look for. Yeah. Now, last question for you. We're here, it's the afternoon of the main event at Baltic FinTech Days. What's been your key takeaway?
I think this event is one of the biggest we had in a couple of years. And it's really nice to be in such a vibrant atmosphere when you get to know get to know new people, and also shake hands with the old fellows which you knew for many years now. So it's a very nice place to be in.
Indeed. Well, we're grateful that you came to join us, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much.